When considering Unlocator as your VPN solution, there are a few things you need to know before buying. You might be thinking, how does it compare to the other big names like ExpressVPN, NordVPN, or CyberGhost? Well, stick around, and let's break it down. First, Unlocator is not your typical VPN. While most VPNs focus on security and privacy, Unlocator shines when it comes to bypassing geoblocks, making it an appealing choice for streamers. If you're looking to access content from Netflix, Hulu, or BBC iPlayer, Unlocator's Smart DNS feature is a standout. It's a quick and effective way to unblock content without the overhead of traditional VPN encryption. The second thing to consider is its encryption standards. Unlocator offers military-grade encryption, but compared to some of the industry leaders like NordVPN, the security features are relatively basic. If privacy and anonymity are your primary concerns, you might want to think twice, as Unlocator doesn't have some of the more advanced options like double VPN or Onion over VPN. Next thing is speed. Unlocator has a reputation for fast connection speeds, but don't expect it to consistently outperform top competitors. While it's great for streaming and basic browsing, if you're looking to torrent or do data-heavy tasks, you might find speeds slower compared to services like ExpressVPN or CyberGhost. The fourth thing worth noting is its pricing. Unlocator's plans are competitive, but they don't offer the same breadth of features that higher-priced competitors provide. If you're only interested in unblocking streaming services, the cost could be justified. However, if you're after a VPN with a full set of advanced privacy features, you may want to look elsewhere. The fifth thing is its device support. Unlocator works on all major platforms, including Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android, and it even works with routers. However, it doesn't have as extensive a range of apps and device support as some other VPNs, like NordVPN, which covers more devices, including gaming consoles. Next, let's talk about server locations. While Unlocator offers over 60 countries to connect to, it's far behind the competition. ExpressVPN and NordVPN both have a much larger selection of servers around the world, which might be a key factor if you're looking to connect from less common locations. The seventh thing is the lack of a dedicated kill switch. A kill switch is a key feature for those who need to protect their data if the VPN connection drops unexpectedly. While Unlocator offers protection for most use cases, it doesn't have this feature, which puts it at a disadvantage compared to the top competitors in the industry. The eighth thing is its streaming capabilities. As mentioned before, Unlocator is fantastic for unblocking streaming services, and it works great with platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime. However, it doesn't support the same range of services as competitors like ExpressVPN, which consistently unblocks a wider array of region-locked content. Another thing to consider is its customer support. Unlocator offers 24/7 support via live chat and email, which is a positive. However, it's not as responsive or helpful as some of the competitors like NordVPN, whose customer support team has a reputation for fast and reliable assistance. The 10th thing is its logging policy. Unlocator is known for its no logs policy, which is great for privacy. However, it's not as transparent as some of its competitors. Other VPNs, like ExpressVPN, provide detailed third-party audits to back up their claims, something that Unlocator has yet to fully offer. 11th, you should know that Unlocator offers a 7-day free trial. This is a great way to test out the service and see if it fits your needs before committing. But if you're serious about privacy or need a VPN for more advanced use cases, this trial might not be enough to really get a feel for what's missing. Finally, if you're considering Unlocator for its smart DNS feature, it's a solid choice for streaming. But if you're looking for a VPN with broader use cases, better encryption, and faster speeds, it might not be the best option. In conclusion, Unlocator is a good choice if you're focused on streaming and unblocking content. But if you want a more well-rounded VPN with robust privacy and security features, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.